If you want to change the color of the folder in your Mac, then let us see how to do it. If I want to change the color of this folder, I will right click on this one, select get info, then after that I will click on this folder icon here, go to edit and then copy. After that press the option and the spacebar to open this spotlight search. Then I will look for an application called preview, open it. After that click on file, select this option new from clipboard and then click the folder to select, go to tools, select adjust color. And after that you can play with this slider in order to change the color. You can play with other options also here, so just play, and once you have found the desired color, what you do is click on the folder, go to edit and copy the folder icon. So once you have changed the color, click on the folder icon, go to edit and then copy. Then I will again right click on the folder whose color I want to change, select get info. After that click on the folder icon again, go to edit and then paste, and you can see the color of the folder is changed here. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful.